SONAR is a school of natural resources at Mendocino High School. SONAR is a school-within-a-school concept which engages in scientific inquiry into our local ecosystems: coastal marine, redwood, and riparian.
SONAR blends two areas of study: environmental science, where students perform field studies, and eco-literature, where students read classics of environmental literature like Sand Spring and John Muir.
SONAR's main area of emphasis is going to our local environment and studying our local natural resources. We seek to gain knowledge of our whole ecosystem and to grasp concepts like the web of life, the importance of biodiversity, and resource management.
I was happier than with no mindset.
Working with natural resource agencies such as Fish and Wildlife, local watershed awareness groups, and Parks and Recreation, students are trained to collect and present information in a scientific way about the conditions of local streams and marine habitat.
One of SONAR's program goals is to provide students with meaningful hands-on intellectual learning experiences that go beyond the classroom. We take part every year in salmon surveys on the Little North Fork of the Big River.
SONAR also studies local bird populations and does a seining of the Big River estuary in conjunction with California's Fish and Wildlife to identify biodiversity and population trends in local river fauna.
In one of our seines 3 years ago, SONAR discovered an invasive European green crab. Using a study pioneered by UC Davis, SONAR has done 3 intensive crab studies and found another green crab this past spring. SONAR students felt it important to determine whether the population of European green crabs is increasing in the 8.3-mile Big River estuary, which encompasses 60,000 acres of connected wildlife habitat and is home to 130 bird species, 22 fish species, and countless plant species. Of these, 27 species are endangered, threatened, and species of concern.
SONAR students learn how ecosystem management can be an ethic for wise stewardship of resources here on the Mendocino coast and elsewhere, and how SONAR can be a pathway for students' future careers in fields related to natural resource management or in higher educational setting.
The SONAR program was founded in 2000 by Mendocino High teachers Robert Jamgoshin and Bill Lemos, and has consistently been supported by a variety of sponsors, including the Salmon Restoration Association.
SONAR thanks all its sponsors and partners in celebrating 15 years of environmental field study and research here on the North Coast.